how would you define a general congregation? This is what happens before the conclave, tama po ba?
Actually, nagsimula na yung general congregations. Di ko kabisado ano siya sa Latin, no? But a general congregation is simply a meeting of the cardinals. Like for example, in the Pope Francis died Monday. They had the first general congregation on Tuesday, no, to decide when to transfer the body to St. Peter's. The next general congregation, they decided when the funeral will be. Yesterday, the general congregation decided on when the Novendiales will begin and who will be leading each day, who among the cardinals will be leading each day. Today, I think the next one will decide most probably when the conclave will be.
So in the general congregation, they discuss different matters.
The cardinals come together and as a body
as a body
decide on these things.